In Shenzhen, a city that in recent years has become a symbol of China's technological future, an exhibition took place that may redefine our understanding of what is possible. Plus Shenzhen 2025 was not just a gathering of robotic machines, it was a full-fledged window into tomorrow, where machines become our helpers, colleagues, and sometimes even conversation partners. Over the course of 3 days, more than 35,000 people from around the world visited the event, including hundreds of international experts, engineers, investors, and government officials from 60 countries. More than 200 companies presented their boldest innovations, from household assistants to industrial titans and social humanoids. Particular attention was drawn to robots that are nearly indistinguishable from real humans. They moved, spoke, expressed emotions, and responded to people with such precision that they often caused a moment of confusion. Is this an actor or a machine? Some visitors admitted to feeling chills when a robot looked them straight in the eyes, smiled, and engaged in meaningful conversation. Walking through the exhibition, one gets the impression that China is deliberately building a future in which robots become an integral part of society. There were robots playing musical instruments, robotic cooks setting tables, security robots patrolling areas, and even psychologist robots capable of simple emotional dialogue. In special sections, one could see machines learning to work in schools and hospitals, helping children with developmental needs, or caring for the elderly. All of this is already being implemented in trial mode, but perhaps the most impressive aspect was the overall level of organization and scale. Every booth was not just a showcase of technology, but a demonstration of true technological supremacy. China showed not only that it possesses advanced technologies, but also that it knows how to deploy them rapidly, massively, and effectively. The reason Beijing is confidently winning the global robotics race is simple. The state, science, and business operate as a unified force. While Western countries are mired in bureaucracy and caution, China is building real cities where robots work, patrol, heal, and teach. The climax was a live performance in which dozens of robots danced in sync, interacted with the audience, introduced themselves, and even recited poetry. It looked less like a public relations stunt and more like a theatrical production of the future. Plus 2025 in Shenzhen proved that China is not merely participating in the technological race, it is running one step ahead. It is unafraid to experiment, implement, and scale. And while the rest of the world debates how robotics might impact society, China is already building a society where robots are part of the norm. Great changes lie ahead. And if you want to know what tomorrow will look like, don't look to science fiction, look at what is happening right now in Shenzhen. Because the future is already here, it's just built in China. Recently, one of the most beautiful robots named Amira reappeared in public. She was created by Engineered Arts, a British manufacturer of robotic humanoids. Amira features an incredibly realistic, human-like face with detailed facial expressions and an appearance closely resembling that of a real person. The robot's skin is made of high-quality silicone, giving it a natural texture. Special attention was given to the fine details of the facial features, allowing the robot to convey emotions accurately and demonstrate a wide range of expressions. Its facial expression system enables the robot to show emotions, smiling, expressing surprise, displaying interest, and even sadness. The robot can participate in interactive conversations using either pre-programmed lines or speech synthesis, and it can also recognize speech and respond to questions. Amira is ideally suited for use at exhibitions, museums, shopping centers, and other large public events where attracting attention and engaging with visitors is important. To mark its 10th anniversary, Chinese company Forier unveiled its significant advancements. One of the company's key achievements is the humanoid robot GR1, the result of many years of research and development. GR1 features 40 degrees of freedom, giving it high mobility and the ability to perform complex tasks. The robot is equipped with powerful actuators that allow it to move at speeds of up to 5 kilometers per hour and carry loads weighing up to 50 kilograms. In addition, GR1 is integrated with an artificial intelligence system, including an emotional interaction module and high-precision speech recognition. The company also introduced an updated version of the robot named GR2, which stands taller at 1.75 meters, weighs 63 kilograms, and features 53 degrees of freedom. GR2 is capable of performing more advanced tasks, thanks to improved mechanics and software, including a removable battery and enhanced object manipulation capabilities. Realman Robotics has unveiled a new data training center for humanoid robots in the Shijingshan district of Beijing. This innovative facility is the first of its kind in China, a dedicated institution where more than 100 robotic humanoids are trained in environments that closely simulate everyday human settings. The center is divided into two main zones. In the first, robots receive foundational training, similar to early education, learning to interact with their surroundings, handle objects, and move freely. The second zone is dedicated to professional training, where robots take on more complex tasks such as hotel service, indoor cleaning, warehouse operations, and agricultural work like fruit picking and plant watering. All training environments, including kitchens, living rooms, balconies, and even farming plots, have been designed to be as realistic as possible. Engineers at Limx Dynamics have equipped their robot Tron 1 with a new high-tech robotic arm, significantly expanding its functional capabilities. Previously, Tron 1 was already known for its advanced mobility and modular design, but with the addition of the manipulator, it has become a fully capable platform for mobile manipulation and interaction with the surrounding environment. The robotic arm allows Tron 1 to perform a wide range of tasks, from grasping and transporting objects to precise interaction with various surfaces and mechanisms. The arm features a high degree of freedom, smooth mechanics, and fine-tuned force control, enabling it to be used in scenarios that require both brute strength and delicate precision. Tron 1 also supports multi-mode locomotion. It can walk on legs, move on wheels, and adapt to different types of terrain. In a recent demonstration, robotics company Deep Robotics showcased upgraded versions of its quadruped robotic dogs. One of the latest prototypes, named Limx, is equipped with wheels instead of traditional legs, allowing it to switch between rolling and walking modes. This hybrid locomotion enables it to traverse challenging terrain, including steep slopes of up to 45 degrees and vertical obstacles up to 80 centimeters high, as well as maneuver effectively in confined spaces. Other models, such as the X30, demonstrate the ability to carry up to 20 kilograms of payload, overcome obstacles up to 20 centimeters high, and operate in extreme conditions ranging from -20 degrees Celsius to +55 degrees Celsius. They can autonomously follow a human operator, covering up to 10 kilometers on a single charge, and perform tasks such as carrying shopping or participating in entertainment events.